Hey you guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please like, share, and subscribe. This is my good friend Adrian, and he loves the wig. So today we're just going to play with some glitter in orange. So I'm using Clown White as my eyeshadow base by Nye Cosmetics. I'll be working on the Jaclyn Hill palette, and the first shade that I'll be placing in his lids or his crease is orange. So as you can see that I'm pulling his eyebrows up to make sure that orange can fit in his crease. He has small eyes, so I want as many colors as possible in that crease. Then I'm going to use this color right here in the crease, mixed with a little brown. And I'm doing the same thing. I'm pulling that eyebrow up to include that color in that crease. I go back and forth and add more orange in the crease also. Next, I use this dark brown burgundy-ish color on the tips of the eyes. Now to cut the crease, I'm just using the matte concealer NW 35 Pro Longwear concealer to cut the crease. As you can see, I placed the concealer on the lid and I have him to open the eyes so I can see where to stop the crease. After cutting the crease, I'm going to be using this Morphe 35U multicolor palette. I think it's this Continue. I'll be using this orange for the crease cut. Try your best to neatly apply the orange only in the cut crease. As you see, I am trying my best to get as close as possible to that cut crease line without making a mistake. I'm using a small baby eyeshadow brush to get as close as possible to the cut crease. Then I'm grabbing some dual eyelash adhesive glue and only apply it on the cut crease. Now I'm taking me some orange glitter and I'm carefully applying it on the cut crease. I'm trying to get the glitter as close as possible to the cut crease line. Then I'm free to apply it all over. This is a custom orange glitter that my friend made. Honestly, he don't know I have his glitter. I never told him because I love it. Now I'm going to be smudging a little dark powder on the tips of the eyes to give it a little smoky look. Now I'm going to smoke it out a little bit with a little bit brown and black on the tips. This is my favorite liquid liner, Amuse Cosmetic. I love this liner because it glides easily on the lid and it's waterproof. And it's easier to make a wing liner in one swap. Then I'm applying false eyelashes by La Charmer. The name is Wispy D. Yes, I noticed the eyeshadow is on the eyelashes. I'll take care of that at the end of the video. And you see, to quickly clean up that little dot, you just use the same eyeshadow and quickly blend it in or blend it out. Okay, now moisturizing her face with Cetaphil moisturizer. Then I'm going to use the Backer Poreless Primer. I had to mix the NYX Total Control foundation in a shade Espresso with Nye Cosmetics Studio Fix Fluid NW 58 to make his color. I'm just using my favorite foundation brush just to apply the product on. For the eyebrow, make sure you get as close to it as possible with his foundation so you won't have a halo. I sometimes use a smaller brush or concealer brush to get even closer to the eyebrows to hide the halo. For the concealer, I'm going even lighter. I'm using Nye Cosmetics Pro Longwear NW 35. It's hard to contour with his skin tone, but I can make it work. I had to use more of the Total Control coverage with the Nye Cosmetics to give it a darker contour. Sometimes if I feel like the highlighter is too strong, I'll add a little foundation to blend the edges down. Now I'll be using the Nye Cosmetics Natural Set to set underneath his eyes. To give him an extra highlight, I'm using the Nye Cosmetics Olive Sand. I love to use olive sand to do my extra highlight versus banana powder, because olive sand on a darker skin tone is much easier to blend down versus banana, which may give you a white ashy look. I'm just hitting his cheek with a little orangey peachy blush. Nothing too strong. Now I'm using a MAC pencil called Fascinating, a white eyeliner for the waterline. I felt like going back to the nose to touch it up some more to get it as small as possible. I'm just adding more contour on the side and adding more concealer on the side to see if I could make the nose look smaller. I'm using that same brush to blend down the extra powder that I see on the face. So I'm mimicking the eyeshadow underneath the eyes. So I'm just using the orange, then the darker brown, then a dark black brown. Now for the mascara, I'm just using it to pull out her bottom lash and her top lash. For the lips, I just apply a little soft pink lip gloss. For the face, I'm just misting a setting spray. And then I'm going to use Gold Deposit by MAC Cosmetics to highlight her to make the shimmer pop out even more. My good girlfriend loves a good wig. She has several of them, so you're gonna see more videos of her with her different color wigs. So I hope you guys enjoy the tutorial. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you guys for tuning in. Please like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that notification button.